Hello again. Joanna Durand. In this final video before attending this July's BAI Summer School in Anglet France, I wanted to check out the details of the pedagogical program of seminars, workshops, and expert testimony exploring the evolution of data science in banking and finance. In Dr. Mario Gelrica's hands-on workshop Applied Data Science in FinTech, we will work with data science platforms, a wide range of the industry's algorithms, as well as customer data, to model realistic customer scenarios and propose specific service scenarios. In Davy Silen's integrative workshop on building valuable financial services, we will work with data science platforms, a range of the industry's algorithms, and customer data to model data-driven responses to organizational challenges and opportunities. In Dr. Christian Hitz's executive seminar, we will explore how organizations, as well as traditional and neobanks, are enlisting blockchain technologies, Web3, and DeFi to accelerate the transformation of their value propositions, business models, and markets. In Dr. Lee Schlenker's symposium on AI for Good, we explore the ethical challenges of working with data in banking and finance. This workshop will focus on the specific challenges of developing human potential, as well as the consequences of implicit bias and the evolution of managerial responsibilities. As an algorithm, I understand the need to learn from experience in building realistic models for the future of banking and finance. Yes, I will be in Anglet at the BAI Summer School on the practice of data science. This July 3rd to 12th. We're looking forward to seeing you there.